In this video, I'll show you easy ways to earn money, even if you have no special skills or a big following. To get started, think about the questions people ask every day, like how to save money or how to study better. These questions are searched on YouTube all the time. You can turn these questions into video ideas, and you do not need to show your face or use your own voice. This is a great way to begin earning from home, even if you are just starting out. First, use a tool like Answer the Public or Google Trends to find out what questions people are searching for. Once you have a question, use ChatGPT to help you write a clear and simple answer. Then, use a text-to-speech tool such as 11 Labs or TTS Maker to record your answer as audio. This makes your video sound professional, even if you do not want to speak yourself. Next, add visuals to your video. You can use stock videos or make slides in Canva. Put your audio and visuals together and upload your video to YouTube. Make sure your title includes the question you're answering. If you keep making videos like this, YouTube can start sending viewers to your channel, and you can earn ad revenue over time. Remember, in Step 5, I'll show you how to automate this process so you can earn even more without extra work. Recommendation number 2. Many people are making money from home by selling digital products like planners, checklists, or journals. You can create these products yourself, even if you have never designed anything before. This is a simple way to earn because you only need to make the product once, but it can sell many times. Start by using ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas for helpful resources. For example, you could make a meal planning guide, a printable daily planner, or a worksheet for setting goals. Then, use Canva to design your product. Canva is easy to use and has many templates, so you do not need to be a designer. When your product is ready, upload it to a marketplace like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Write a short description and set your price. People from all over the world can buy your product and download it right away. This means you can keep earning from one product even while you are doing other things. In Step 5, I'll explain how to set up a system so your products keep selling without you having to do more work. And number 3, you can also earn money by starting a free newsletter and recommending tools or tips you already use. This works well if you like sharing advice or helpful resources with others. You do not need to be an expert, just share what you find useful. Use a platform like Behave or Substack to start your newsletter. Pick a topic you care about, such as productivity for parents, study tips for students, or budgeting for beginners. Each week, write a short email with one helpful idea or tool. If you mention a product or app, you can join its affiliate program and earn money when someone signs up through your link. The more people who read your newsletter, the more chances you have to earn. You can grow your list by sharing your newsletter on social media or asking friends to sign up. In Step 5, I'll show you how to bring in more subscribers automatically, so you do not have to spend all your time promoting your newsletter. Number 4. You do not have to be an expert to offer services online. Many people earn money by doing simple tasks for others, and AI tools can help you work faster. This is a good way to earn if you like helping people and want to start quickly. Go to websites like Fiverr or Legit and look for easy jobs, such as writing short blog posts, summarizing articles, or making quote graphics for Instagram. Use ChatGPT to help you write or summarize, and Canva to design graphics. If you can finish a task in 15 minutes and charge $10, doing a few tasks each day can add up to real income. You can start with just one service and add more as you learn. This is a flexible way to earn, and you can choose when you want to work. But what if you want to grow even faster? In Step 5, I'll show you how to use automation to handle more work and earn more money without spending extra time. Finally, once you have tried any of the tips above, the next step is to automate parts of your process. This helps you save time and grow your income, even when you are not online. Automation means using tools to do repetitive tasks for you. When your automation system is set up, your videos, products, and services can keep working for you in the background. This is how you move from earning a little to building steady income from home. By following all 5 steps, you can start small and grow your earnings over time, even while you sleep. Start by organizing your ideas and tasks in a tool like Notion or Trello. Then, use automation tools like Zapier or Make.com to connect your apps. For example, you can set up your YouTube videos to post at certain times, or have customer emails from Etsy added to your newsletter list automatically. You can also use Buffer or Repurpose.io to schedule social media posts so your content keeps reaching new people. As a recap, here are 5 steps to start earning from home. Turn questions into YouTube videos, sell digital products, start a newsletter, offer simple services using AI, and automate your earning system. Each step builds on the last, helping you grow your income with simple tools and ideas. By following these steps, you can begin earning online, even as a beginner. Try one or more today and see what works best for you. Drop a comment if you want to see something new. Let me know if you want to see something specific in my next video. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up so I know to make more like it.